Toledao ne prte. Welcome back to Reef Listening Part 2.3, so the last listening video of Chapter 2 of the Reef Nutwe course. For this video, I again asked 4 other speakers to send me some audios, and this time I asked them to say where they are, so they could either make something up, like I'm on Pandora or whatever, or just tell me where they are, and then describe some things they see around them. That way they used some of the grammar you learned, so they used the dog, the lu, the L and T endings. I also gave them vocab list, so they used some of the words that you learned in listening 2.1, but they will also use other grammar and some other words. So you will have to look up stuff, and you might not understand everything because some of them use some grammar that you probably even with context don't fully understand yet. And that's fine. This video is all about understanding things from context and getting the gist of things, getting the most important parts of what someone says. And it's totally natural to not understand everything because you're a beginner, you just started learning Nutwe. So it's totally fine to not get everything. So just try to listen to things again and again, to look up things and to see how much you can get. But don't be disappointed if you don't understand everything because that is normal and expected. Like I'm not a native speaker and always give a warning that my pronunciation is not perfect, all these other people here, of course, are also not native speakers. They are Nutwe speakers on different levels. So some pronunciations might be a bit imprecise. The same as always, there are no Nutwe native speakers, so you will not find recordings of native Nutwe. But let's start with first a text by Jojo. Yune go. Let's listen.
Kilvanti tokwel. Tseawel payoangit. Payoangil shuvetineo. Win polu.
Let's listen to it again, but in a bit slower.
Kilvanti tok well. Tsea well. Payoangit. Payoangel shuveti neo. Win po lu.
Let's look at it in detail. So first, Jojo said,
Kilvanti tok well.
Kilvanti tok well. I'm in or at the river. Next, they said,
Tsea well payoangit.
Tsea well payoangit. I see a fish. Next, they said,
Payoangil shuvetineo. Win polu.
Payoangil shuvetineo. Win polu. The fish wants food. It is fast. Let's listen to the entire thing again, so you can read along.
Kilvanti tok well. Tsea well payoangit. Payoangil shuvetineo. Win polu.
That was Jojo. Let's go to the next text. Yune go. Let's listen this time to Zang.
Kelkuti tok well. Staum weli luti weye. Po hahauta luna po efu ngain. Tsea wel baya sumti. Weru sunu fuangop tseoti.
Let's listen to it again in a bit slower.
Kelkuti tok well. Staum well yiluti weye. Po hahau taluna po efu ngain. Tsea wel baya sumti. Weru sunu fua ngop tseoti.
Let's look at what they were saying. So first, they said,
Kelkuti tok well.
Kelkuti tok well. I'm at home. Next, they said,
Staum weli luti weye. Po hahauta luna po efu ngain.
Staum wel iluti weye. Po hahau ta luna po efu ngain. I hear my ilu. He sleeps because he is tired. Next, they said,
Tsea wel baya sumti. Weru sunu fuangop tseoti.
Tsea wel baya sumti. Weru sunu fuangop tseoti. I see many shells. I like to create art. Let's listen to the entire thing again, so you can read along.
Kelkuti tokwel. Staum weliluti weye. Po hahauta luna po efungain. Tsea wel baya sumti. Weru sunu fuangop tseoti.
That was sung. Let's listen next to what Seyra is saying.
Fitter tokwel fepati rama. Tsea wel deo lukea tauti le puap. Ulte fitseng asunu weru lutifngunga nidan.
Let's listen to it a bit slower.
Fitter tok wel fepati rama. Tsea wel deo lukea tauti le puap. Ulte fitseng asunu weru lu tifnunga nidan.
Okay, let's look at it in detail. So first, they said
Fitter tok wel fepati rama.
Fetr dog wel febati rame. Today I'm on the top of a mountain. Next they said
Tsea wel deo lukea tauti le puap.
Tsea wel deulukea tauti le puop. I see the endless cloudy sky, and the sentence continues.
Ulte fitseng asunu weru lutifngunga nidan.
Ulte fitseng asunu weru lutifnunga nedan. And this place, which I like, is very quiet. Let's listen to the entire thing again so you can read along.
Fitter tok wel fepati rama. Tsea wel deo lukea tauti le puap. Ulte fitseng asunu weru lutifngunga nidan.
That was Seyra. Lastly, let's listen to Patmo. Yune go, let's listen.
Tok na rengti wel neia hona wampopti wel uldarun pol nong weti ne rurur.
Let's listen to it again in a bit slower.
Tok na rengti wel neia hona wampopti wel uldarun pol nong weti ne rurur.
Let's look at it in a bit more detail. So first they said
Tok na rengti wel neia
Dog na rengti wel neia. I'm finally in the forest. Next they said
hona wampopti wel uldarun
Hona fwampopti wel uldarun. I encounter a cute fwampop or a cute tapirus. Next they say
pol nong weti ne rurur.
Pol nong weti ne rurur. So I said he follows me to the stream. A rurur is kind of a type of stream or waterfall. It's like if you have a stream that goes down between some rocks and it's like airy and flowy, that is a rurur. So we have very specific words for different types of waterfalls or streams. But let's listen to the entire thing again so you can read along.
Tok na rengti wel neia hona wampopti wel uldarun pol nong weti ne rurur.
And that was already our last text for today. So, Luce Baum Ngarusrak, Neye Baum. Do you have questions? Just ask. As always, you can ask on Discord, via email, or just write a comment. If you're here for the complete course, then now would be the time to go to the workbook and do the exercise for this chapter, as this was the last video of chapter 2. The link to the workbook will be the first link in the video description. The next video in the course will be the indirect object rule, so that would be the next grammar video. If you are just here for the listening exercise, then here you will find listening 3.1, the next vocab video. But note that at this point, when I upload this video, both of these videos probably will not be uploaded yet, so you might have to wait a bit before they come online. Hei, ja, dovai, ma frapo!